Real talk. AI isn't the future, it's the now. While most people are just scrolling, others are using AI to cash checks, build brands, and live that remote life. Today, I'm showing you 9 AI skills that'll print money in 2025. No coding, no PhD, just hustle. Let's run it. First up, graphic design. This is an area that's being completely transformed by artificial intelligence, opening up opportunities for anyone with a creative spark and an internet connection. Forget spending hours on Photoshop or hiring expensive designers. The old way was slow, expensive, and often frustrating, especially if you weren't a pro or didn't have a big budget. With AI tools like Midjourney, you just type what you want, and it creates stunning images in seconds. You don't need to master complicated software or spend years learning design theory. Just describe your vision and let the AI do the heavy lifting. Canva Pro's Magic Studio can build entire brand kits, logos, color palettes, and more, just from a description. It's like having a professional design team at your fingertips, ready to bring your ideas to life instantly. You can sell these designs on Fiverr or Upwork as an AI-powered graphic designer. There's a huge market for quick, affordable, and high-quality graphics, and clients are searching for people who can deliver fast. Businesses and creators need logos, thumbnails, and social graphics, but don't want to learn the tools. They want results, not a crash course in design software. Charge $50 for thumbnails, $200 for logos, or land monthly retainers for ongoing work. The earning potential is real, and it's growing every day as more people discover the power of AI design. What used to take hours now takes minutes. You can deliver projects at lightning speed, impressing clients and freeing up your time for even more gigs. Learn to write killer prompts, set up your gig, and start making money fast. The better your prompts, the more unique and eye-catching your designs will be. The demand is exploding, and you don't need years of experience. All you need is a willingness to learn and experiment with these new tools. You're selling speed, creativity, and quality. Clients love getting professional results without the wait or the high price tag. People are making a killing with this right now. Some freelancers are even turning this into a full-time business. Working from anywhere in the world, it's one of the easiest ways to get into the AI gold rush. The barrier to entry is low, and the rewards can be huge if you take action. The only thing stopping you is getting started. Don't let hesitation hold you back from tapping into this booming market. Jump in, experiment, and watch your skills pay off as you build a new income stream with AI-powered graphic design. Next, AI photo restoration. Old, faded family photos. AI tools like Remini and Photoshop's new features can restore and colorize them in seconds. You're selling nostalgia. People pay big for memories. Market your service on social media or freelance sites. Charge $25 for a basic restoration, $50 for colorization, $100 for a batch. 5 minutes of work can bring priceless memories back to life. Partner with local businesses or run ads for special occasions. The emotional value is huge and the tech does the heavy lifting. You don't need to be a Photoshop expert anymore. This is a high-leverage, high-demand skill. Restore history, make money, and make people happy. That's a win-win. Next up, AI web design. The way we build websites is being completely transformed by artificial intelligence, opening up new opportunities for entrepreneurs and creatives everywhere. Every business needs a website, but nobody wants to pay $10,000 or wait months for a developer to finish the job. Traditional web design is slow, expensive, and often out of reach for small businesses and startups. Now, tools like Framer, Durable, and Dora AI can build stunning professional sites in just minutes. No coding or technical skills required. These platforms use advanced AI to handle everything from layout to copywriting. All you have to do is describe what you want, and the AI does the rest, turning your ideas into a fully functional website almost instantly. But even with these powerful tools, businesses still need someone to guide the process, customize the results, and make sure the website truly fits their brand and goals. That's where you come in. Become an AI web design consultant. Help clients get the most out of these tools and charge $1,500 to $5,000 per site for your expertise and service. You can build a demo in 10 minutes, pitch it to local businesses, and watch them say yes because you're offering something fast, affordable, and high quality. With this approach, you can launch a 6-figure agency from anywhere in the world without writing a single line of code or hiring a big team. The value you provide is unbeatable. Fast, custom, and affordable websites that help clients grow their businesses without breaking the bank. All you need to do is learn the tools, reach out to potential clients, and start building. There are countless resources and tutorials online to help you get started. The web design game has changed forever, and those who adapt early will have a huge advantage in this new era. This is your chance to get in early and build something amazing. Don't miss it. For content creators, AI video editing is nothing short of a game changer. It's transforming the way videos are made, making the process faster, easier, and more accessible than ever before. Tools like Opus Clip and Firecut can take a long podcast or live stream and automatically turn it into dozens of viral short clips in just minutes, saving hours of manual work. These AI tools analyze your footage, find the most engaging moments, add captions, and instantly format everything for TikTok, Reels, or Shorts. No technical skills required. What used to take editors hours of tedious cutting, captioning, and formatting now takes just 10 minutes, freeing up your time for creativity or more projects. With these tools, you can offer your services as an AI video repurposing specialist, helping creators and businesses multiply their content output. You can charge $300 for a batch of shorts or set up monthly retainers for ongoing content, creating a steady stream of income. The demand is massive. Every creator, brand, and entrepreneur wants more content delivered faster to keep up with the pace of social media. Thanks to AI, you can manage multiple clients at once, since the software does most of the heavy lifting for you. All you need to do is review the quality, make quick tweaks if needed, and schedule the posts for your clients. Content is the currency of the internet, and with these AI tools, you're the one running the press, helping others grow their influence. So, learn the tools, pitch your service confidently, and start stacking clients who need your help to stay ahead online. This is one of the hottest, most in-demand skills right now. Don't sleep on it. Jump in and ride the wave of AI video editing. If you can type, you can make money with AI writing. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Jasper write blogs, ads, and product descriptions in seconds. Guide the AI, edit the output, and deliver high-quality content fast. Offer blog posts, website copy, or ebooks, charge per project or on retainer. Businesses need SEO blogs, e-commerce stores need product copy, and authors want ebooks. You're an AI-enhanced content strategist, not just a writer. Charge $300 for a blog, $500 for website copy, or $2,000 for an ebook. Monthly retainers are where the real money is. Master prompting and editing, and you'll be unstoppable. AI makes you superhuman, not obsolete. The best writers use AI to work smarter, not harder. Build your business from anywhere in the world. The opportunity is huge. Grab it. Take it up a notch. AI-powered content marketing. It's not just about writing, it's about running a company's whole content machine. Tools like Behave, Copy.ai, and Notion AI automate newsletters, social posts, and strategy. As an AI content marketing consultant, you build and manage these systems. Charge premium rates, $100 to $200 an hour, or high-ticket retainers. Businesses want results, and you deliver a full marketing engine. Automate podcasts into shorts, newsletters, and blogs with barely any manual work. Save clients hours, boost their reach, and transform their business. This is high-value, high-impact work. The demand is only growing. Become the strategist every business needs. No-code AI automation is next level. Tools like Zapier and Make.com let you automate business workflows. No coding needed. Connect apps, automate tasks, and save businesses hours every week. Now, AI can extract data, process invoices, and schedule tasks automatically. Become an automation consultant. Analyze workflows, build automations, and charge $2,000 to $10,000 per setup. Offer monthly retainers for ongoing optimization. You're selling time back to business owners. The most valuable thing there is. The ROI for clients is massive, so your rates can be too. If you save a company 80 hours a month, your fee is a bargain. Learn the tools, pitch your value, and watch your income grow. This is how you scale your impact and your bank account. No code, no problem. Get in now. AI data analysis is pure gold. Businesses have tons of data but no idea how to use it. Tools like Excel Copilot, ChatGPT Code Interpreter, and Polymer Search make analysis easy. Ask questions in plain English, get instant insights, and build dashboards. Become the translator between data and business strategy. Charge $5,000 plus for reports or dashboards that drive real results. The impact is huge. Help clients find growth opportunities and boost profits. Data analysts are in high demand and command top rates. You don't need to code, just learn the tools and how to ask the right questions. This is a six-figure skill, easy. Businesses will pay for answers, not just charts. Turn data into dollars. The final skill, no-code AI agents. Build autonomous AI workers that handle customer support, sales, and more. Tools like OpenAI's GPT agents, LangChain, and Flowies let you create these agents visually. No programming needed, just drag, drop, and set goals. Businesses need these agents to stay competitive. Charge $15,000 to $50,000 for a custom AI agent that works 24/7. You're building the automated workforce of the future. The value is massive. One agent can replace a whole team. This is the top of the AI skill stack. Master this and you're building the new economy. The future is here. Be the architect. That's 9 AI skills that can change your financial future. Pick one, go deep, and start selling your services. The opportunity is now. Don't wait. All the tools are there, and demand is exploding. Take action, start learning, and build the life you want. Smash that like, drop a fire emoji, and subscribe for more AI gold. Let's make 2025 your richest year yet.